It's a Steely. It's a great man. Great man.
Mm-hmm.
When me go so bam now, I'm left from we po, me say, yo, me have to take on the road. So me go so boom, me know say penthouse at, on a jammies at. Me there walk going a jammies, but me never there. It is hard to get through jammies gate them time there. Gate man, wicked, be a wicked man. As gate man, you can't get through. You get what me I say? So me go so boom and go up a penthouse and me say to the security guard up there, me say, big man, name Sample Kid, you know. When any of the big producer them a come outside, just point them out to me and make me go introduce myself. I say, all right, youth. So me there I wait, and the man say, when him see Steely, I come out, him say, yo, come here. I Steely that, you know, from Steely and Clevie, you know, big. Me say, yeah, man, they know one of them man, they read him. Me always, at DJ Pancamba say, this Shabba, who say, woman can't done. Zane, anyway, brother, when me go over to Steely go over the cane man, they used to have a cane man where make cane juice across some penthouse, right across the road. And brother, when me I go over there as a little youth, you know, hear me now. Good morning, Mr. Steely. Yo, brother, let me tell you something. Steely go so and look for me from head to toe, and say, how with the blood is? The man say, yo, serious thing. The man say, and me I talk to? I can't. And when me gone to? The man say, how would tell you say you can blood talk to me? Brother, let me tell you something, you know. Me want the earth open up and take me into all my shame. All right, and me a couple of my youth them from jungle go up there, you know, because them a champion me, you know. And when the man them see that, me see the man them get dark like them want to kill him. I'm go so. And me a walk off now because I'm so shame. And me I say, you know what? Me I want to go war with that man and go hurt him and think, cause I steal that. So me I say to myself, when me I walk off now, me I say to myself, you hear me? Me I loud music, you know, cause if I them kind of embarrassment, yeah, me not deal with it because the next man try something like that with me have to go run a knife in him or something. You see me? I say, so when me I walk off now, me hear, yeah, what you say? What you do? Sing or DJ? Yeah, DJ, I'm vexing now.
Of course.
Yeah, if you're a DJ, play something. Them time they know say no CD or nothing, no, they run in a cassette around the place. You know? So me always I walk with my cassette. So me go so bouncing, and him say, put in the cassette in the tape where the cane man they have. When me put in the thing, say the man a drink him cane juice and now look for me. You see when the first song come on, me see him go so. How that a DJ? You say, me man. Man say, you that? Play a next song. I go so boom and play a next song. I say, how that? You say, me. Man say, you're bad. Come with me. Man, carry me in a vehicle. Carry me go up a Barbican.
Okay.
Up at the square, they have a little dub plate studio up there. And my voice on 50 dub theme. My voice is Silver Arc. And my voice is a sound name they have an England name, Steel Plate.
I knew you were going to say that.
Zane, some goes up bouncing. General B come up there. And me and General B end up all of the combination in a dub. So Steely said to me, yo, meet me up on Main Street later. Me have a voice up on a rhythm when me have name Frag. Remember, say me know so we probably over Frag already, you know.
Yeah.
So me say, no problem, man. Bamson. Me go so bam and I search walk down Red Hills Road because them time the Main Street just built. Nobody know where Main Street there. So me go so boom me walk up, down, till me give up now. I mean, I said to a man, because enough people me ask already and them don't know.
Mhm.
So when me reach one next brother now, I say, yo, dada, me I look for one studio named Main Street Records. I say, boy, I mean, I know no studio name saying no, but you see, you have one road in front of KFC, it named Dunmere. You have some youth up there, so they my brother, where are some musician them, so maybe I up at that road. Me can't say for sure, brother. I just that alone me need to hear. A little hope him give me back. So when me go so bumps now and say, me I walk up the road. When we reach up there, me don't say steal a car. There's just a couple more vehicles outside. So I go so boom and say to the gate man, it's an evening, uncle. You know, say Mr. Steele him come for vice, what? Him say me must come. He say, where your name? I say, Sample Kid. I go so Bamson. And him let me through because Clevie they leave my name there. Because Clevie inside our studio.
Okay.
See? So when we reach in our studio now, muscle. I go so Bamson and say, evening. Remember, say, me never know Clevie, you know. So I say, evening time. Mr. Steele say, I must come up here for vice. I say, yeah, man. Him tell me, man. How the song go? And him goes a boom and play the rhythm. The DJ the song Clevie say, yo, the bad one in our voice room. I goes a boom and go in there and start DJ while me a DJ. Me see one next man come in our studio. So next man goes so, and you know, like look on him place him and say, oh that boy is so bad, man. So when me go so boom and make a mistake and stop, me hear him say, yo, Clevie.
Yeah.
Let me say something to the youth here. And him say, youth, wagwan. Me say, me there in Ella. He must say, you know me? Me I say, no, me no really know the face. Him say, me name Danny Brownie, man.
Okay, so this is the intro right here.
So him say, and me and my studio, they say, just Bill. Youth, you're bad. More advice you. Come check me tomorrow. Anyway, I'm so excited, you know, man. Because a woman don't slap with the song. Clearly, I say, yo, that song yeah, murder, brother. To more remember the song when me do pan the rhythm, frag rhythm, because to all the song they bad, me know say me can't even brush it off now and do it. See? Anyway, look pan this now, muscle. I check Danny the next day. Them time there, degree just boss. It's a 92, you know.
92.
90, yes, 92.
Okay.
92 are going to 93.
Okay.
Remember, I said, Granny come out on a shelly place. See? Granny a shelly place. Go so bam some Buccaneer. Buccaneer no bus yet. But him dep on the verge. The bus, cause Buccaneer bus 94.
Okay.
So look on music. Look on
He
music.
was the second one out of the camp to bus. So first it was Degree and then Buccaneer.
And I want to show you, say, Stitchy, Son, Lady G were all under Main Street Records before Degree. Yeah. You get what I say?
Yeah.
So, at them, thing they I work with, Danny I work with, and then in post Degree, and Degree come to Monster. So look on this now. When Danny tell me, say, come check him in a brother. When me go check Danny, you know, me not get a chance to go back in a vice boat, you know. Me not get a chance.
Yeah.
I'm go so boom and me did there. Till me I say, yo, little frustration I kick in, you know. And real because you want me see even when me go Main Street, I wasn't a comedy artist. So me have to confirm.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.